If you're a music video editor, you know that the slowest part of editing can often be adding visual effects. That's why in this video, I'm going to be giving away a bunch of free presets and templates to help you automatically apply visual effects and transitions to your music videos 10 times faster, all in under 3 minutes. Let's go. First things first, we actually need a music video. So we're going to go ahead and drag in some footage. I'm actually going to use my AutoEdit Music Video Mode plugin, which by the way is an AI plugin which automatically edits music videos. It's really simple. All you do is you just open the plugin and then you can go ahead and import your music track, your B-roll, your performance takes, and it'll automatically edit a music video for you, which is really cool. So you can see I've uploaded all my raw footage, automatically built out a timeline for me. Now we can go ahead and literally just synchronize this by right-clicking it, clicking synchronize and hit OK. And boom, just like that, it's now synced. Let's go ahead and add our BPM and just do a quick edit with variation and collapse. Boom, just like this. Now we have an automatic music video automatically edited. Now we're ready to apply some visual effects. So really quickly, in the description, I've linked down below to a free camera shake preset pack. You can download it completely for free. All you do is you just drag and drop these presets onto your timeline, and then you can literally just create an adjustment layer and create instant camera shakes. So it's completely free, like I said, a link below in the description. You can see now it's automatically cutting our entire music video to the beat, and boom, just like this, we have an instant music video rough cut edited for us, which is really cool because before I'd have to go in and sit through and type everything. FYI, I used to be a music video director, went on tour, did a bunch of music videos, and it is super tiring plus also repetitive work because you're just doing the same editing work over and over and over again. So having an AI plugin like this that can automatically edit your music video rough drafts and just get you at least like 90% of the way, so that way you can spend all your effort and energy purely on the creative decisions is really, really helpful. So now let's go ahead and apply some of these free camera shakes. We're going to go ahead and create a new adjustment layer by going to our library. And then we're going to go ahead and click this new icon to create a new item. We're going to click create a new adjustment layer, just like this. We're going to hit OK. And now you can see we have an adjustment layer applied. Let's drag that onto our clip just like that. And now we're going to use the free camera shake preset, which I've linked to below in the description. So make sure to download it. You go to effects. Right here, and then you click the 3 hamburger icon line, and then you hit import presets, and then that's where you just drag that file which you downloaded, which is linked down below, and then you can go ahead and search for the exact effect. So we're going to search for that camera shake effect, and now let's go ahead and apply this. We're going to do, FYI, you have to make sure that your sequence setting is in 24 frames per second. So go to sequence and hit sequence settings and just make sure that it is 24 frames per second, which ours is. It's 23.97. And then we're going to drag and drop and make sure this adjustment layer is about, 8 to 10 frames long. So you just want to make sure this adjustment layer is really, really short. That's like the very key thing about this. I say 8 to 10 frames. And then let's go ahead and drag and drop any one of these shakes. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this one right here onto our adjustment layer, and boom, just like that. You can now see we got these crazy camera shakes applied, and it creates really cool transitions. So that way we can get super easy camera shakes made without us having to do really anything. Now, the cool thing about this AI auto edit plugin is that you can actually apply these visual effects with just a click of a button. So you don't have to create any adjustment layers. You don't have to create any presets or anything like that. You literally just go over here to where it says camera shakes, and you can see there's a bunch of effects types. There's even like these crazy energy ones. So if, let's say I want to do this camera shake, I just click insert and apply, and boom, instantly applies the camera shake. So you can see I didn't even create anything. I didn't even do anything. No dragging and dropping, just literally push one button and we got an instant camera shake for us. So this is really cool. And the cool thing about this is that after you do an auto edit AI mode, after you do an auto edit music video project, you can literally just go ahead and go to this AI VFX tab and literally just like check whichever effects types you want. So if you want camera shakes, chrome effects, CRT effects, energy effects, film borders, let's do some film burns, and yeah, that looks pretty cool. And then you can just set the intensity, and then watch this. Check this out, guys. When I click add VFX, it applies visual effects to the entire timeline for me automatically, like sparsing out a bunch of different effects types. Make sure to download the free presets down below in the description for the camera shake effects. Hopefully you found something helpful from this video. Now, if you want to learn how to automatically edit your content 10 times faster using AI, then you can check out this video linked right here.